Have you ever wondered where rain comes from, or how rivers and oceans never completely run out of water? The answer lies in one of the most important systems on Earth, the water cycle. A never-ending journey that moves water across our planet again and again. Everything begins with the sun. Every day, the sun heats up oceans, lakes, rivers, and even wet soil. As water becomes warmer, it slowly changes into invisible water vapor and rises into the air. This process is called evaporation. Plants also play a role in the water cycle. They absorb water through their roots and release tiny amounts of vapor through their leaves. This process is called transpiration. Together, evaporation and transpiration send enormous amounts of water into Earth's atmosphere every single day. As water vapor rises higher, the air becomes colder. The vapor cools down and changes back into tiny droplets of water. This process is called condensation. Billions of tiny droplets gather together to form clouds. Some clouds appear light and soft, others become dark and heavy before a storm. Wind carries clouds across the sky, sometimes traveling thousands of kilometers. Inside the clouds, water droplets continue to collide and combine together. Slowly, they become larger and heavier. Eventually, they become too heavy to stay in the air, and then they fall back to Earth. This stage of the cycle is called precipitation. Depending on temperature, water can fall as rain, snow, sleet, or hail. In cold mountains, snow can remain frozen for months or even years. When temperatures rise, the snow and ice melt and flow downhill. Rainwater travels across Earth's surface through streams and rivers. Many rivers eventually return water to the oceans. Some water soaks deep into the ground. This becomes groundwater. Underground water can stay beneath Earth's surface for hundreds or even thousands of years. Groundwater is extremely important. Millions of people around the world depend on it for drinking water and agriculture. The water cycle never truly stops. A single drop of water may travel through oceans, clouds, rivers, glaciers, plants, animals, and even the human body. The same water that exists today may once have been drunk by dinosaurs millions of years ago. Without the water cycle, life on Earth would not exist. There would be no rain, no forests, no rivers, no food, no animals, no humans. The water cycle helps regulate Earth's climate, supports ecosystems, and distributes fresh water across the planet. But today, human activity is affecting this natural system. Climate change is increasing temperatures. Some regions experience stronger storms and floods. Others suffer from severe droughts. Melting glaciers and rising sea levels are also connected to changes in Earth's water cycle. That is why protecting water resources is more important than ever. Every drop matters, from oceans to clouds, from clouds to rain, from rivers back to the sea. Water continues its endless journey, a powerful natural cycle that keeps our planet alive. The water cycle is not just a process of nature, it is the reason life exists on Earth.